Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video using Runway ML. And it's actually super easy, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So first, open your Runway ML account, and once you're in, you'll see the dashboard interface. Now, click the search bar and search for Remove for Background tool. And go ahead and click on that. So once you're inside, click the plus icon to upload your media. Select the video file from your laptop or computer that you want to edit. So after uploading, simply drag and drop the video into the workspace. Next, click on the object or person in your video that you want to keep. So that area will stay and everything else will be removed. So once you've selected your subject, tap Done Masking top right corner, and just like that, your video's background is gone. So you can now export your final video directly to your device. You can also change your background into different colors before exporting it. And that's it. That's how you remove a background using Runway ML. Thanks for watching.